welcome back to my channel. It's now 1 p.m. so we're gonna be having lunch right now, and after that we're gonna be going to FRI Forest Research Institute. I'm gonna be showing you all around the FRI, what actually it is. If you wanna know the full details about it, I will just keep a link in the description box below. Just go through it and you'll know about it. So guys, we're heading towards FRI. Actually, two of my juniors came to pick up me, so we're going by bike. So this is him. Say hi.
Hi.
So I'll show you the roadways. So guys, we have reached FRI, so I'm gonna show you all around FRI. So let's start.
Balance me out, my feet can't touch the ground. Yeah, I'm flying. Yeah, I'm flying. Rapidly moving without you, I'm losing control. I need me, so baby, I have you to hold.
So guys, if you wanna be an IFS officer, then you might have known this institute, this research institute. This is called FRI. So every IFS candidate who got selected will be given training here. So the famous Bollywood film student of the year got shoot here. So and today also, I don't know, one shooting is going on there. I don't know whether it is Bollywood or not. They are not allowing us to go inside there. So we're just shooting here, and I'll show you the remaining part. So let's see. Meet my sister, Sezina. Introduce yourself. You know, Institute. Kung ama makaya tayo mo dito sa thôi. Bas ahum laki jang yar ke na. Bas ne pholo khala tang ata na. Mai ba di chabai lo lungai. Chandigarh ri dili chala. Du ke no tau di go. Di Dehradun nei ke no Chandigarh lu. Twa ne chi no mountainous oi jaga khare. Song na ha chi nong yin chot ba je. Chi wa na li ji na.
I'm
जागिने